In this video, I'll guide you through managing your prediction bracket. After you've created and published your prediction bracket, managing it becomes straightforward. Begin by setting the winners for each match at the end of each round. Navigate to the Games section, enter the details of each match, and in the Winner field, select the appropriate winner. Once all winners are marked, it's time to calculate the ranking for each prediction. Go to the Prediction Settings section and click on the Calculate Ranking button. This action will process each user's prediction in light of the newly set results. You'll notice that the user rankings have been updated based on this calculation. Remember to repeat this process, setting the winners and calculating the rankings after every round. And that's it. For more tips and how-to videos, be sure to check out our website and YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future guides and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy bracketing!